Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly outlook for gold. So gold had quite a week this week where it pretty much sold off every day, beginning Monday to be honest. And I really didn't expect action of this kind. What I thought was gold would go towards the $1,300 region before anything like this would happen. So if I zoom out a little, what I expected with gold was for it to kind of stay true to this entire downtrend line and just come off that once it met that entire region. But what we saw was the Fed uh, odds of the rate hike sort of increased towards 75% from an earlier 40%, and that kind of propelled gold downwards. But talking from the technical standpoint, I wasn't really sure why anything like this happened. I really expected it to move higher, but nevertheless, I have to watch gold more closely. Maybe I missed out on something. Not too sure yet. We'll find out pretty soon. Personally, I was long and I was stopped out of the trade. And what I expect right now is maybe what we could see is a sort of a head and shoulder being put in gold this week. We'll have to be patient with that. We'll have to see what gold really does. I feel like what happened this week was sort of a bearish signal, and gold could have a deeper correction. But again, I'm not really sure. I just speak out of more out of gut than technical analysis. So my outlook for this week would be to stay away from gold. What I think is it could move towards this entire previous consolidation, form a head and shoulder, and then sorry, and then move slightly lower. That at least that's my expectation, that it moves back towards this entire uh, earlier previous resistance of $1,200. So we'll have to be careful with what gold does. In case I see any kind of trouble near the 1245 region, I'm going to take a short position there, and I'm not really going to take a long until I see some fresh bullish signs here. What I feel is gold could only be bullish once it breaks the highs of this week. That's nearly 1263. But with what's happened this week, it's kind of tricky. And something more interesting, what happened towards the end of the day on Friday was with the Yellen speech coming in, we saw a mini rally of a kind where gold rallied about a percent and closed slightly stronger on the day. So I feel gold's at a tricky spot right now, and whoever's trading gold should be really cautious. Personally, I am just going to try to stay away until I see something bullish or bearish. I'm definitely going to take a short near the 1245 region, and other than that, I'm going to try to stay away from this. So I'm still trying to comprehend what's happened this week, since I'm not really sure. So that was pretty much my outlook for gold. Make sure you check out my outlook for crude oil, silver, and natural gas. And see you guys next week.